Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to turn your Cash App into a business account. This is very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not already have the application, what we can do is go ahead and open up the App Store on our mobile phone. Go ahead and open up your App Store to download the application. You want to go into the search bar and search for Cash App. So once you find the Cash App application, we can get started finding it, installing it, and once you open it up, it's going to look like this. You'll be able to go ahead and log in either with your phone number or with your login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you log in, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here where we can take a look at our cash balance, our savings, and all the other options we can access. And now we can get started with turning our Cash App into a business account. So basically, what do we have to do? What you want to do is go right here in the upper right corner. In the upper right corner, you'll be able to see the profile icon. The profile icon is what you want to access. Your profile icon is going to take you to the settings page. So click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. And once you open it up, it's going to open up the new settings menu. In the settings menu, you're going to have multiple options. One of them is for managing your account. So what you want to do is scroll all the way down until you find the option for managing your account. And there, guys, you'll be able to go and take a look at an option that says business account. So basically, it's going to enable you to turn your Cash App into a business account. So go ahead and open up your settings, find the business account section, and get started finding all the info that you need to provide. Give them all the info, continue with the steps, and once you're finished, guys, your Cash App is going to be turned into your business account, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.